Hello Singapore, a warm welcome to Green World Group. Looking to take your safety career to the next level? Do you want to work with global companies or step into the high demand health and safety and environment roles? Then you probably ask yourself, should I choose NEBOSH IGC or the WSQ Advanced Certificate in Workplace Safety and Health? It's a smart question because the qualification you choose can open the right door for you. In the next few minutes, we will break down the difference and the benefits, how you can leverage both certification to stand out in the health and safety industry. Let's start with NEBOSH IGC, the International General Certification in Occupational Health and Safety. NEBOSH IGC is the most recognized international qualification in occupational health and safety from UK. It's trusted by employers in over 180 countries. That means whether you are working in oil and gas in the Middle East, construction in Australia, or manufacturing in Europe, NEBOSH IGC has your back. It's designed to give you a complete foundation in global safety standard. You will master topics like risk assessment, hazard control, safety management system, and emergency response planning. But the benefit go beyond knowledge. NEBOSH IGC sets you on a pathway to higher qualification like the NEBOSH International Diploma. It also opened the door to the professional recognition with bodies like SATAYOSH and CMIOSH. If you dream of leading safety teams working overseas or advancing in multinational companies, NEBOSH IGC is your launchpad. Now let's talk about the WSQ Advanced Certificate in Workplace Safety and Health. This program is a part of Singapore's Skill Future Framework. The essential if you want to register as a WSH coordinator with the Ministry of Manpower. Unlike NEBOSH, WSQ focuses specially on Singapore legal requirements and codes of practice. It dives deep into local risk control system and safety protocols. So if your goal is to grow your career within Singapore, this is the certificate you need. It's practical, it's locally relevant, and it's mandatory for many local safety roles. Okay, so now here we are gonna see comparison between both. So which one should you choose? If your focus is purely local Singapore-based safety work, go for the WSQ Advanced Certificate. But if you are aiming for the international roles, higher level position, or multi-industry growth, NEBOSH IGC the way to go. But here is the secret weapon. Combine both. That's right. If you already hold WSQ, adding NEBOSH IGC can supercharge your profile. You will show employers you understand both international best practice and local regulation. That's a rare and highly effective combination. It gives you flexibility, mobility, and a competitive edge in both local and global job market. At Green World Group, we are proud to be a NEBOSH Go Learning partner. This elite status is awarded to the institution that constantly deliver high standard in learning support, performance, and student success. We have trained over NEBOSH learners across the globe. Our alumni include award winner, top scorer, and influential safety leaders. We offer a range of globally recognized programs including NEBOSH IGC, NEBOSH Process Safety Management, NEBOSH International Diploma, NEBOSH HSW Health and Safety at Work Award, NEBOSH Incident Investigation, and many more. And we deliver these courses through flexible forms, e-learning, live virtual classes, and in-person session. So you can learn your way anytime, anywhere. So in one hand, NEBOSH IGC is the passport to international safety career. In another, WSQ Advanced Certificate is your license to practice in the Singapore. We, Green World Group, is here to support your journey from training to certification to career success. So what you are thinking, Singapore? Ready to take the next step? Contact us today. Let us build your future in health and safety and environment with excellence.